Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Story. This is the first tutorial on 5-day mini course of how to crochet a face mask. So before starting, let me tell you what are the things you need. I've already made a separate video on that, but still let me just explain what are the things we need. So this is a 4-ply woolen yarn. It's a super fine. You can get it in a normal stationery. And a 2.5 mm hook. So for India the size is 10. So if you're buying it in stationery, ask for the size 10. And you have scissors and then markers, which I'll tell you where we use it. So what are the stitches we are going to use in this tutorial is chain stitch and single crochet. As I have mentioned in the flyer, we'll be crocheting for 15 to 20 minutes. So I have set the timer for maximum 20 minutes. Let's see how much we can achieve today. Let's get started. So first, as usual, so how we start with the slip knot. So if you don't know how to do the stitches, just go through my tutorial on the basic crochet stitches. So it will be easy. So I'm just taking a slip knot now. As slip knot is not considered as a stitch, I'm starting the timer now. It's going to be for 20 minutes. Okay, so as a first row, we are going to make a 17 chain stitch. I'll just explain for the first 2 stitches how to do chain stitch, so it will be easy for you to follow. So just yarn over and pull it through the loop. So again, yarn over, pull it through the loop. So now we just did 2 chains. So I'm going to make 15 more. Let's count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So our first row is done. So today we are going to target 12 rows. So now as we completed the first row, in the second row we are going to do single crochets. Okay, so take 1 additional stitch, chain stitch, and we are going to start single crochet. So for single crochet, so if you see here, if you pull the chain little, you would see a 2V shape and there is a hole on both side. So you are going to go with the top one. Okay, so just insert your hook and pull it through. Again yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. Again on the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through. Now you have 2 loops in the hook. Again yarn over, pull it back. So I'm going to complete this row. Even for an absolute beginner, it won't take much time to do these stitches because these are very basic and there's no trick in this. So you just have to concentrate and see you are not taking big loops. It has to be little close. So I'm doing it slowly. So if you know crochet, well and good. Even if you don't know crochet, this is the first time you are beginning with, that is also fine because it's a very simple crochet stitch. It is, you'll easily get it. Maybe the first row would have been a little difficult, but you just keep continuing it, as we are going to use only single crochet in the whole course. Going forward it will be easy. if you see, I'm doing it slowly and I'm keep on adjusting my yarn. It's just because like I don't want more gaps in between the first row and the second row. So if you see, I have just completed the second row. So what we just did is a chain stitch, 17 chain stitch, and in the second row we have done 17 single crochets. Okay, just add extra chain stitch at the end of each row. Okay, and turn it. So once you turn it, in the top you could see again a chain stitch, V shape. Okay, so we are going to repeat the same again same single crochets, but in this, if you remember, in the first row we have used top V. In this we are going to use both example. You are going to insert your hook on both V's. You see, I'm taking both V chain. Okay, just pull it over. Same way, just repeat it. So if you see, I'm just completing our third row. Even if you make mistake in the middle, it's fine. You can always undo it and you just pull it back, and then again where you left a chain, just go there and then start continuing from there. It's not like once you are done, it is done. You can always correct it. So if you see, our third row is done. So we are going to repeat the same until 6th row. So I'll keep doing it. So remember, once you complete each row, take one chain stitch at the end so that you get proper rectangle, because once you complete this 6 rows, it's gonna look like a rectangle. So if you have any questions on whether you have done it correctly or not, or you have any questions like if your stitches doesn't look like mine, how I am doing it, so just ping me the photos either in YouTube comments or Instagram. I'll tell you whether it is correct or not, and we will correct it then and there, and we'll proceed with the next session. So before starting the next course, yours will be corrected. Okay, instead of doing wrong, we'll just correct it and then proceed further. Okay, so I'm just continuing with my 4th row. So I've just completed it, so I'm going to take one extra chain and then turn it. I'm going to repeat the same here. the last row, it's going to be the 6th row. Okay, once we complete 6th row, there is just one additional thing which I am going to add, which I'll tell you before doing it. Okay, so this is the last stitch. You see I have done 6 rows. Okay, so for our 7th and 8th row, what are we going to do is we are going to increase by 1. So when I say increase, it's just, if you see here, we are maintaining 17 stitches for the first 6 rows. So in the next 2 rows, it's going to be 18 stitches. So I have done a video on that, how to do an increase, but still I'll explain you how to do it. So I just took extra chain and then just go to the top chain, the first chain in the row, and do a single crochet as usual normally, and in the same chain you are going to add one more single crochet which will increase a stitch in this row. Okay, and then we are going to repeat the same. Not going to do any more thing. Just going to repeat the same. If you're a beginner, buy a aluminium hook, it will be easy. So if you see, there is a slight V here, so just like we have increased by 1. So I'm just going to repeat the same count in this row as well. So in this row it's going to be 18 stitches. I'm adding 1 chain stitch. So we are done. So if you see, there is a slight V here because we are just raising it on one end, and the other end it's going to be a straight line. Okay, so if you feel like you want a mask which is of like both side V, you can go on both side and increase it. So I'm going to increase again by 1 additional single crochet to the same chain, first chain. So basically for increase is nothing but in the first chain you are going to add, instead of 1 single crochet you are going to make 2 single crochet, and then repeat the same till end. Still have 2 more minutes. Right now if you see, the result isn't much, but after completing this 5-day course you will get a beautiful mask. Okay, so we are just going slowly day by day, because for the absolute beginners it will be overwhelming if I just do a face mask in a day. So just split it into 5 different sessions. And it's a good way to build a habit also, if you just start with less time and then slowly increase it. Okay, so we just finished one row, so I'm going to repeat the same as we did one increase in the previous row. I'm going to repeat the same way. So if you don't know in which row you are in, feel free to count the top chains anytime. So if you have done properly, you will have the same count like how I have. So just have 40 seconds left. Let's finish this row. Time's up. So once you are done with this row, just use a marker and mark it, or you can keep your hook inside it. Just make sure that it is not going away, because if the stitches is little loose, it will come out. So I'm just going to use a marker. So I just marked it. So we are going to continue from here tomorrow. So if you have any questions, or if you feel like you haven't done correctly till here, or if you miss any rows, feel free to post it in comments here in YouTube, or you can ping me in Instagram. The Instagram account is with the same name, Crafty Story. So you can directly message me. We'll just correct it before moving forward to the next session. So I have set the timer 20 minutes just for myself, just to stick to the time. Like, we are going to spend like some time daily. So it's not like you have to finish it within 20 minutes. For absolute beginners, it's going to be little difficult to complete it within the time. So just slowly concentrate on your stitches and finish it till here. Even if you finish one row less also should be fine, because we are just going to use the same way, or how to increase and how to proceed forward to finish this crochet mask. It's going to be the same step, but I'll tell you where it takes the other turn. Okay, so first 2 days is going to be the same way. So slowly concentrate and do it, so you won't get any gap in middle. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe, like and share, and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.